Wix Sizing Image tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to set up sizing within your Wix website for the images. So we're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. Head over, set up our homepage and click on edit site, and it is going to show you all the particular details about the editor. Now what I am going to do next is going to be very simple. We're going to add an image. So these are going to be galleries. All of the images are going to be in a specific space. So we can go ahead and add an image by click on add element. Then we're going to add over image. So you are either upload or import images, or create some AI image creation or generated. And also we can go ahead and have to take from images from here to there, and it is going to be just like that. Now I'm going to have my image just like that, so I'm going to real quick change the image, or basically I'm not going to change it. So let's head over edit. I'm going to edit my image. So when you edit the image, you have the choice of the cropping and extension. So here we are going to have all of the image sizes. So you can have the width and also the height of the image. So you can go ahead and have, for example, a free, let's say cropping. You can have 1:1 cropping, 1:2, here 2:3, 3:4, 4:5, whatever, and also the free, which is going to be related right there. You can upscale an image to improve the resolution if it is going to be under 2000 pixels. On the upscale images that are up to 2000, so you can go ahead and have up to 2000 and more. You're going to have it. You can set up the width, for example, which is going to be, as you can see, I'm going to simplify things. If you're going to have a vertical or a horizontal image, the width is going to be like that, the height is going to be reduced, something like that is going to be the case. So this is how you can set up the size, let's say precisely. But if you are going to only make it smaller like that, or bigger like that proportionally, it is going to be a matter of clicking on the image and select one of the four corners, and it is going to be either made, or you're going to make it bigger or smaller. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.